incubator na rin.
Okay. Action.
This is the first prototype for low-cost baby incubator.
Alright. Wow.
What we have here, this is first for the phototherapy, yung para sa paninilaw ng baby, para hindi manilaw.
Jaundice. Okay.
The jaundice. Then, as you can see here, here is the cooling or heating apparatus depending on the temperature inside
Alright.
the incubator. Then,
It's working?
As of now, what we have tested, it's working.
Alright.
Then the power supply will be inputted here, and that power supply will be regulated by an Arduino controller, which will be hidden below.
DC.
Yeah,
DC board.
DC
Okay.
voltage.
Good. Good. What else?
Yung pala.
So, pwede siya hot and cold, no?
Yes, sir. Bali ayusin ko pa yung program para automatic siyang ayusin ko pa yung program para automatic siya mag-switch from hot to cold, depending on the temperature inside.
Good, good. Alright. Okay. Siguro next time yung ano natin, no? Next step is yung access.
Yes, sir.
Pakita natin to kay Dr. Davila.
Di ba pwede buksan na lang ito?
Pwede rin. Pwede rin. Pero, syempre.
Hindi, hello na yung baby.
Okay. So, yung temperature sensor, saan nakalagay?
Actually, the temperature sensors will be positioned. Oops. Wait. No.
Okay.
Will be positioned in here, in the four corners. Here, 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 and here.
Okay. Okay. Can I see inside? Wow!
Then, I think I also plan to create to make like a metal plate here so that the heat can be distributed more effectively.
Okay. Sige, let's see it. Most probably tomorrow. Good job, Doc. Nice! Great job, guys. Okay. Thank you. What else? Wala na? Sige.